A far-sighted vision to use technology and innovation to sophisticated and critical products and services for a spectrum of core and niche industries was a dream of Mr. Dhanjishar Neterwala, a true entrepreneur. Taking his father's vision forward, Mr. Feroz Neterwala has exponentially grown and built a diversified group of companies. The group has presence across the globe with several manufacturing facilities. Almost 5 decades ago, UniAbex pioneered centrifugal castings in India. Today, UniAbex manufactures a diverse range of bespoke centrifugal and sand-based castings, and has evolved as a premier source for heat, wear and corrosion-resistant castings for the global market. A state-of-the-art manufacturing plant with R&D facility at Tarwa allows UniAbex to constantly innovate processes to serve the demanding and ever-evolving needs of refineries, steel plants, fertilizers and galvanizing plants. It has also carved out a very special niche for itself in the decanter business, where it is a clear market leader in India. UniDera is a pioneer in the field of investment castings in India, with 3 modern investment casting plants and over 4 decades of experience. It handles over 225 different types of alloys, from simple cast iron to complex duplex steels and super alloys, to produce intricate parts ranging from a few grams to several kilos. In addition, UDL has a state-of-the-art machining facility. It is India's leading provider of near-net-shaped products produced by investment casting process. Unfolding its global expansion strategy, UniDera acquired the TRCH Group, UK's largest supplier of aerospace and defence components, specialising in air and vacuum investment castings processes. TRCH Group has 3 investment casting plants in the UK, besides a large machining facility with several 5-axis machining centres and other CNC equipment. Innovation through continuous product development using advanced 3D CAD modeling, rapid prototyping, casting simulation, backed by dedicated facilities for steel, aluminium and super alloy vacuum casting, machined from bar stock components, sub-assemblies and kit preparation. TRCH has an enviable reputation of producing complete end-to-end solutions with on-time deliveries with near 0 defects. 4 decades ago, Ukl Limited was formed as a joint venture with Klinger AG of Switzerland. Today, UKL has 3 dedicated plants. Its first plant in Ahmednagar produces a host of precision engineering downstream boiler products that enable energy-efficient operations in various process industries. As a separate vertical in Vadu, Pune, it has a highly specialized plant for manufacturing a wide range of sealing products. Its latest venture, in collaboration with AST Italy, manufactures a variety of safety and control valves. A key player in the oil and gas exploration vertical for over 3 decades, Neterwala Group's Field Instrumentation India Private Limited provides a complete range of specialized instrumentation systems and services. OFI plays a pivotal role in determination of hydrocarbons, while exploration is carried out on the rigs. It has a comprehensive capability to produce mud logging units to the highest specifications for offshore deep water wells. It also has in-house software which is capable of catering to the most exacting needs of geological engineers all over the world. Mcfar International is a strategic international acquisition of the Neterwala Group. Experienced in conducting thousands of kilometers of airborne geophysical surveys across the Americas, Europe, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and recently India. Deploying a fleet of its own modified and dedicated aircraft equipped with advanced instrumentation systems, Mcfar conducts cost-effective airborne surveys for vital natural resources, such as hydrocarbons, minerals, metals, and subterranean aquifers. Natal India Limited is the environment and instrumentation arm of the Neterwala Group. It offers a unique blend of high-tech equipment and services for environmental and analytical applications. Through its fully equipped and accredited in-house research and development, approved by Government of India for the past decade. With a strong all-India service network and access to international technical expertise, Natal has proven its commitment by gaining a leading edge and an enviable reputation in the marketplace for reliable products with an efficient service backup. Its latest foray is in solid waste management, where it has built an automatic organic waste-to-compost equipment in the quest to produce products and services that save our environment. These range from household to industrial machines. Corporate governance is safeguarded by following high levels of ethics and ensuring transparency and fairness in dealing with our employees. For a safer world and a better tomorrow, all group companies adhere to stringent health, safety, and environment practices. The Neterwala Group has been engaged in philanthropic activities, bringing an overall positive impact on the society and environment at large. Besides a full-fledged quality school, the Neterwala Trust provides medical care and education to thousands of underprivileged and poor. A legacy spanning over half a century and covering 3 generations, with a vision and commitment of a better tomorrow through technology and innovation. The Neterwala Group remains committed towards best ethical practices, integrity, reliability, and transparency to delight all its stakeholders. Neterwala Group. Value through technology. www.neterwala.com